Good afternoon, welcome to O Slots. It's Roland here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how Beth finally was able to redeem some cash for the sweep coins that she had converted into redeemable sweep coins. Now, I'm the YouTuber in the family here. She's the one who gets on and plays her Chumba Casino or whatever she's playing. She's out making zucchini loaves in the kitchen at the moment, so I'm the one here that's going to be making the video, and I've been talking about how I was going to make a video on this for like 2-3 weeks now. So finally I'm getting around to it. So how it all went down, it started on November 30th. She tried to redeem some money from Chumba Casino. She went through the process of how she was supposed to do it, and I guess her banking information was not 100% correct. Let's put it that way. And then finally she got it right, and Chumba Casino tried to send the money to her bank, but for some reason it got rejected. I don't know if it's from the bank or what it was from, but she tried twice, same result. So, after thinking about it, talking about it for a while, and back and forth, several times. It was pretty painful at times. It went on for a couple months. I can't remember how long. It started, like I said, November 30th, so all through December. And I think she didn't get paid till February. So she went with another bank account, and she actually went to the actual bank branch and told her that she needed a certain piece of paper that had all the things that she needed, like a SWIFT number, void check thing. I don't know. I can't remember everything, but it was all on this piece of paper that she needed. And she filled it out, and all of a sudden got an email back. Chumba was sending the money to the bank account. So I think 3 days went by. It might have even only been 2 days. And this is the very first time she withdrew. And sure enough, the money showed up. So she had over 1,000 sweep coins to withdraw, or over $1,000 worth of money to withdraw. So I told her, just do the 500 first, and then we'll do the rest after. See how it works. And so sure enough, it worked. So then she did her second one and got all the cash back. So I think when the time it converted to Canadian, because we live in Canada, it worked out to $1,800. Pretty cool, because I figured we spent about $300 for stamps, and I figure maybe $30 in envelopes and index cards. So maybe $330 to make $1,800 worked out pretty good. And I noticed that Chumba Casino has quite a few more games that have come out recently. 2 had dropped today. I think one was called, I don't know what it was called, but it's something to do with tacos, Mexican peppers, and all this sort of thing. Then there's the other one. It's a fishing game. I'm interested in seeing that one. I don't know if you can see my screens here, but over here, Chumba Casino is sponsoring 3 cars in NASCAR. So 3 stock cars in NASCAR. And it's all for the Michael Jordan team. You know Michael Jordan, basketball years ago? Yeah, that team. So this is Michael Jordan's team and another driver from another team. Those 2 are team owners for their team. So Michael Jordan and Denny Hamlin. So yeah, Chumba Casino is sponsoring their cars. And yesterday was the first time that Chumba Casino colors and sponsorship showed up on a car. It showed up on their 3rd car, which is a young guy named Riley Herbst. And number 35, I believe it was. Yeah, number 35. He finished 17th yesterday. So that was pretty cool. And I guess Chumba Casino is going to be showing up on cars in future races. So I'm pretty excited about that. I was excited when I saw that Chumba Casino was showing up in NASCAR like that. Like the whole car was just covered in Chumba Casino sponsoring. It looked like some wild colors. It looked like colors from the 80s, like Dr. Huxtable sweaters used to be like, just patches of red and green and yellow and everything all over the sweater. So it was a pretty wild looking car, but you can notice it on the track. And as for myself, I started an account at Global Poker. I'm going through email back and forth. I don't know if it's them or if it's me, but I'm trying to just verify my account and verify my address. So I gave them my license. Everything's on there, but they wanted to have another piece of, another document with my address on it, and I sent them a utility bill, and I guess that wasn't good enough. I don't know. Sometimes I think they're just playing games. I don't know. But I've been on there just playing around and using gold coins. And I was playing Little Demon, which is on Chumba Casino as well. But Little Demon, I love that game. I do really well on it with gold coins on Global Poker. So you may want to give that a try. So yeah, Beth will be probably making a video this week using up her 90-something sweep coins. Who knows, maybe she'll have more by then. And she's been steadily doing her letters every day. I think something like 10 letters a day, about 50 a week, let's say. And as I mentioned before in other videos, we had a postal strike here that lasted about a month. So that's kind of messed up things. But like I said, she just recently had a drop. It was a small drop of maybe 60 or 50 sweep coins. They got there, obviously. So it's been about 7 weeks. Actually, I don't know how long it's been. It hasn't been that long, I don't think. But anyways, yeah, those letters have made it there. And she's been consistently sending in letters ever since. But anyways, if you have any questions on those sweepstakes letters and all that sort of thing, how to do it and what to do, I have videos on the channel that are doing pretty well to explain a lot of different things about the sweepstakes letters. And also, I hope to do a live really soon. I've been extremely busy with stuff, but now I think it's going to settle down. So I'll be able to sit down, maybe do a live one day or one evening, and just come onto the chat, onto the video, ask questions. I'll try my best to answer your questions. There's probably going to be some I don't know, but you know what? We'll give it a shot. Maybe I can answer your questions. With that being said, I think I'm going to head over onto Global Poker and play a little more Little Demon, or maybe try something new. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Come back for more videos, and we'll see you soon.